Okay, super quick video for you. How do you get the all-important links for your other videos at the end of a video that you've uploaded? Go into your channel, and it looks like what we got here. Find the video that you want to add those links to. I'm going to select this one. Now, go down to Edit. Then on the right-hand side, you'll see an option that says End Screen. Hit that. Now, you've got different versions of how you want those images to appear. You've got a subscribe, you've got a video with a playlist. I'm going to go for just 2 videos, so I'm going to hit that. Now, just a note, as you can see, it's sitting over my face there, so let's say you didn't want that to happen. You can move these around accordingly, like this. You can also make them bigger, like so. Then you want to choose what the video is that you want to have somebody to click on. You've got Best for Viewer. YouTube chooses that for you. Pretty good. In this particular one, it's a certain topic, so I'm going to choose the video myself. Go into your playlist. I'm going to select that video. Do the same for that one. I'm going to select the other video which is appropriate, and I press save. And that's it. All done. By default, YouTube will put it in 20 seconds before the end of your film. Okay, so let's test and see how that looks. So go into the video. I'm going to scroll all the way to the end. So here we got the 2 videos that I've just inserted on the pages before. You can see it doesn't obscure the whole screen, and when you click on it, of course, it will take you to the next one. Really hope you like it. Really appreciate subscribing and like. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time.